How to enable the dark mode on Reddit. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable the dark mode on Reddit. So the first thing we do is we go to the app Reddit, click on the app. Now we go to the top corner, click on your profile avatar like this, and now make sure to click on settings, and after that we go down, and this is the dark mode. As you can see, you should click on it and it's gonna be dark. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and see you later.